Hi there. I am on my way to Daman with my childhood friends. And this is the first trip. We were waiting for this day to happen. A lot of time to get this trip done, but we missed two people, that is Jacob and Joel. They're not with us. But then this trip is happening now. We are almost there, 50 kilometers more to go to Daman. First thing, we are on a Revv Car, so that is what it is. We have booked a Scorpio for 7 people. Daman mein we have already booked a hotel. I'll show with you. I'll share with that with you all. And much needed trip, yeah. Like lockdown mein ghar hi baithe the and needed a change. So yeah. So that's a group. And super excited, and everybody is like waiting for this. Like once we get a job, and we wait for that moment, and we'll go enjoy, have fun. And this is the first trip that we are having with the boys, and let's go.
It's too late now, I remember every scene. It's too late now, I remember every scene.
And we have reached the destination for the day, that is our stay for Presidency Landmark. Yo boys! ब्लॉग करना हेलो गाइस
तो वो सब डाल देगा
नहीं सच्ची में नहीं डालेगा जेकब मैथ्यू को एक चीज करने बराबर आता है ऐसा है ना फिर एकदम यही जेकब मैथ्यू बराबर से
जेकब मैथ्यू बदला लेगा उसको जेकब
ये ब्लॉग So we are done with the lunch and deciding where to go next. This is my babe Jackie. Babe.
Yeah.
3 months. So after the lunch we are heading to see some place. Mostly it will be a fort. So let's explore. Okay, so we are split into 2 groups. So we are going towards this way, which I don't know what it is called. Cause Badi Daman, no? Badi Daman. Moti Daman is that side. We are walking opposite Moti Daman. Okay. And I have Abel. This is team AGA. Abel, Godwin, and Alan. And there are lots of people. So. Pure acting. He woke up from like past 1 hour.
Good morning.
कब आएगा Also realize that I have not showed you the car, so
अंकल किधर है लेकिन?
अंकल नीचे है. So today is the day 2 and we have come to St. Jerome Fort and exploring over here. Amazing view. This is the St. Jerome Fort. We had a tour. That's what you watched. A crazy place, must visit place in Daman. Let's look at the beauty. So this is the Daman market that I'm entering into right now. Looks crazy. The outer looks crazy, and entering the Daman market right now. Let's go. So I left my group, and just since I wanted to enter the Daman market, I just got down from the vehicle and heading back now towards the vehicle. They are waiting for me here. They are waiting for me. About 5 minutes to walk, and this is the market here of Daman. This place is pretty much crowded as of now, but then I love that market, the vibe that market had. So and met the place. All glory be to the Father and to the Son and the Holy Spirit. Amen. As it was in the shall be, world without end. Amen. Isho Mishai ki. Let's go, boys. And the trip to Daman is over. I'm back at my place, and now we'll wait for the Revv executives to come and take over this car. Experience with Revv, amazing. Crazy experience. Like, yeah, if you have a group of friends and you are having problem with getting a car, getting booked, good option. Hi everyone, finally that Daman vlog is out, just like my friend Jackie says after saying it for 1000th time, and it's out and I'm very happy it is finally out. The one more thing I want to add is regarding the cost of the entire trip. So it costed around 24,795, the entire expense of the travel, and per person it cost around 3,542. So yeah, another breakdown I'll just put it down here and see if this helps to you. If you are planning a Daman trip and this cost helps you, then I'll be more than happy. I make cheese bhul nahi bhul gaya. If you're new over here in this channel, then do hit the subscribe button. That means a lot to me and it keeps me motivated to keep creating such amazing videos. So yeah, naye ho to subscribe kijiye. So this is what I wanted to add, and that's it for this video. Godwin Emmanuel signing off. See you in the next one. Till then, love you. Yeah, I was happy, and I'm very happy with, and I'm very happy.